Good day, my friends. In today's video I would like to show you a restoration that come up. We will not start with this today, but I want to discuss it with you. Britain's model of a manure spreader, and it needs a lot of work. So you can see everything is locked up. Nothing will turn. Okay guys, I'm busy with the repair of this manure spreader. So I have straightened up the bended shaft. So my next step is I would like to remove this gear that somebody before me glued it on here. So it must come loose. So I want to see if I can break it loose without breaking it. Something happened. Okay, and it broke off, but it's fine. I will do it. I will fix it. So this will now turn, supposed to turn. Okay, now for this part, that must also turn. And I believe this is also glued. It seems if it come loose. Okay, it's loose, but let me work it a little bit. Okay guys, I need that shaft to come right through. Okay guys, I've got everything off that I want to get or take off now. This too is fine, they can stay. So yeah, now it's making parts and put back together. Okay guys, it's now about 3 days later and I've made a little bit of progress. Very little. You can see I put this auger back and I just made well, it's permanent, but it's not correct. I just put a spacer in there. It's a little gear because this part is not part of the original Britain's manure spreader. It's supposed to be a yellow plastic one. So the previous guy just glued it on here and I had to break it loose so that it can turn, and so there's no slack so that they can fall out, because there is a spacer now in, and I've got 2 extra shafts. That one is obviously for the wheels. Now this two, the one will go in there for this gear. You remember I broke it off. It was also glued in there. There was no shaft. It was only this piece sitting here that turned that part. So I've got a shaft for that, and this will sit with the wheels here like that, and that is the driven side. So I've got that shaft now, and I've also got an extra shaft for where it is now, somewhere here. I've got 2 of these. The other one is, oh sorry, yeah, this one go there, and then I've got this one that will go here for the band. I just need to make it shorter, and that shaft go here for the wheels, and then I need one more for the roller that go on the front. So I made progress, guys, but I'm not yet there yet. So a lot of work to do still. Okay guys, yet another day. Let's see if we can make more progress today. Okay guys, I'm now at the point where this can happen. But yet, that part still not turned. I'm not 100% sure what I can do with that because it's not original. It needs a gear on this side. There, something just there, something similar like that. And I haven't got a gear like that. It's something very specific. But I'll see what I can do. Okay guys, I think I come to a point where I'm going to say halt on this trailer. It is not finished. I can say maybe 80% from a working order, but it works in a way, and the reason why I'm stopping now is there's a couple of materials and stuff that I just not have, but at least at this point, if you pull it, everything move again, and you will see the rear auger would just like to turn, but not yet there. It's a little bit difficult to get it running because there's no gear for it. So I put there on this little shaft that I've got left on this side, I put a pulley with a little band on that just make contact. You can see there. So when the whole train is moving, it will sometimes just catch that O-ring there and it want to turn. So that is that point, and then on this side I've got everything in place as it I think must work, but for material here I haven't got something currently. I checked overall, and the best I just to demonstrate is a band so that you can see if I turn it. Okay guys, so this is how it looks, and it's now good enough for the display table. I will now kick off and start with something else. This was now enough. It was really difficult, and sorry to disappoint you, but I've tried my best. Sometimes it works okay, and sometimes it just don't want to participate. But this part works fine. It's just that back one, and then the right material for here. Okay guys, so now I'm going to clean up that set. For my wife, she want to put it also in a cupboard. This is the other truck that I've mentioned. It's a cement mixer one. And this was the garbage truck. This was the one that we repaired. And no, we repaired this one. We repaired this one, and this is a dump truck. Okay guys, see you on the next one, and hope you like the video of the trailer. As I mentioned, all in one video, but unfortunately it does not work as advertised. Sometimes it will, sometimes it not. I did even get it right to turn the wheels so that the band start turning a little bit, but it's not worth trying to show you that. Okay guys, see you on next one. Bye.